So for the Python list, you can add whatever you want to add in the list. So I'm going to add the number 21 here. So if you notice, my list only has strings. However, you can add whatever you want to add because the Python list is heterogeneous. In other words, you can have different data type within the same list. So in this case, I have added the number 21, and then 21 is stored as an integer. Now, only by showing this, it's kind of difficult to know what data type it is. So instead of printing the list, I'm going to print the individual item. So in this case, I'm going to choose the item at 0, and then I'm also going to choose the item at 4. So 0 is the first item, and 4 is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here on line number 3, index 4 doesn't exist. But right here on line number 9, I'm going to insert number 21. So by the time it gets here, I already have a 4th index here. So if I print these items, I print banana and 21. But now, in front of this value, I'm going to put type. And that's going to display the data type for me of that individual item. So now when I run this program, you're going to see that the first one was a string and the second one was an integer. So banana is a string, and then the number 21 that's not here yet because I will insert is a integer. So you can have whatever data type you want within a list, even if they are different data type. And you can also do a creation time. So if I want to put a number 33 here, and then a letter A, and then mango, and then the number 23.45, I can do that just as well, and that will work just as fine. Alright, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.